Let's factor the polynomial x cubed minus 4x squared minus 20x minus 48 completely, given the fact that f of negative 2 equals 0. First of all, let's verify that f of negative 2 is indeed equal to 0. F of negative 2 will be negative 2 cubed plus 4 times negative 2 squared minus 20 times negative 2 minus 48. That's negative 8. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 40 minus 48, which is 8 minus 8, which is indeed equal to 0. So that checks out. Now, the factor theorem says that if negative 2 is a root of the polynomial, then x plus 2 is a factor. Notice that we changed the sign. In other words, f of x is going to factor as x plus 2 times something. We're not sure what goes in there. To figure out what that is, we're going to use either long division or synthetic division. And synthetic division is, in general, going to be easier. So we need to divide the original polynomial, x cubed plus 4x squared minus 20x minus 48 by x plus 2. So let's set that up. The coefficients of the big polynomial are 1, 4, negative 20, and negative 48. And remember, we changed the sign back from a 2 to a negative 2 over here. Bring down the 1. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. And we add 4 plus negative 2 is 2. Multiply. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. And add. Negative 20 minus 4 is negative 24. Negative 2 times negative 24 is 48. And we get a remainder of 0. The factor theorem tells us it has to go in evenly, so we're expecting this remainder to be 0. If the remainder is not 0, that means that we've made a mistake. So the quotient is going to be x squared plus 2x minus 24. In other words, f of x equals x plus 2 times x squared plus 2x minus 24. Now this trinomial we can factor Let's put the x in the x. Looking for two numbers whose product is negative 24 and whose sum is 2. That will be 4 and 6, where the 6 is positive and the 4 is negative. So in factored form, f of x is x plus 2 times x minus 4 times x plus 6.